Good morning, students. Class 5. I am Vijay Kumar Jha. Today I am going to teach you English writing, letter writing it is. This is its second part. Now take care here. There is a question for you. Write a letter to the principal of your school to get leave for 5 days. Now take care here. First of all, first point, you have to write address is address. At the time to write letter, sender's address is written first. But as you are related with the school and you are well acquainted with the principal and the principal is also acquainted with you, that's why there is no need to write here sender's address. If you are going to write other principal, then you will write it, but as your question tells you to write a letter to the principal of your school, that's why you are quite acquainted and no need to write sender's address. So write down first of all address is address, and in the part of address is address there are 3 points. First of all, post whom you are going to write, this is here the principal. Institution in which the post belong, that is institution name is MGSS, and where the institution is located, that you have to write here it is Darbhanga. Means the principal tells about post, MGSS tells about institution, and Darbhanga tells about the place where the institution is located. Now, after leaving one line, you have to write date. Date in this format. Write down 13th November 2020. After that, after leaving one line, you have to write subject. Subject regarding which thing you are going to tell in your letter, that you have to write here as heading of the letter. Then after leaving one line, you have to write salutation. Here madam is your principal, that's why first of all write down here madam. Now this point is known as address is address, date, subject and salutation. Madam is known as salutation, and then after salutation leaving one line, write down here body of the letter. First of all, start body of the letter with some sentences of courtesy with politeness, and then the need to write the letter you have to explain here. Here write down like this: respectfully I would like to draw your attention that I have to attend a marriage ceremony. Means आदर के साथ मुझे कहना है, आदर के साथ मैं आपका ध्यान आकृष्ट करना चाहूँगा कि आई हैव टू अटेंड ए मैरिज सेरेमनी, मुझे एक शादी समारोह में शामिल होना है पटना में. आई विल गो देयर विद माई पेरेंट्स एंड फैमिली मेम्बर्स, मैं वहाँ परिवार के लोगों के साथ और अपने माता पिता के साथ जाऊँगा. नाउ I will not be able to attend my classes from 1st December 2020 to 5th December 2020. मैं 1st दिसंबर से 5th दिसंबर तक क्लास में अटेंड नहीं कर सकूंगा. इस कारण से प्लीज ग्रांट मी लीव फॉर द डेट्स मेंशन्ड अबव, कृपया मेरी छुट्टी स्वीकार कर लीजिए जो ऊपर लिखा गया डेट है. आई विल बी हाईली ग्रेटफुल टू यू फॉर दिस, इसके लिए मैं आपका बहुत बहुत आभारी रहूँगा. थैंकिंग यू. योर्स ओबीडियंट. नेम, हेयर you have to write your own name, class, roll number and section whatever you have. In this way, my dear students, I hope you have understood how to write a letter. The process you have to take care. Nothing is written in the right side. Everything you have to write in left side. First of all, address is address, then date, then subject, then salutation, then body, and last part is known as subscription. Body you have to write in 2 paragraphs. First paragraph should contain courtesy of stating something to someone with the needful sentences to write the letter, and second para should request for the content used above. And if you have followed, if you have written everything in the left side in this format, then your letter must be correct. In this way, I hope you will remember and make it fair also. Thank you.